Good morning students, welcome to online class. I am taking now 7th class mathematics. Our topic is simple equations. In previous class we have discussed it. So actually let us remember once what are the simple equations. An algebraic expression contains equality symbol is called equation. If the degree of the equation is 1, then that is called a linear equation. In that equation if there is only one variable, that is called a simple equation. So we discussed about simple equation and now we solved some equations also. Then we have seen two methods. One is a trial and error method, another method is a direct transposing one side to other side also we have seen here. So let us see here one more example problem we have here to solve y minus 7 equal to 9. So in previous class we came to know that we can add, we can subtract, we can multiply and we can divide same quantity on both sides, then value of equality doesn't change there. So same things we follow here. So y minus 7 equal to 9 is given to us. So look here. So we need to find y. Here what is the variable? Variable is y. We need to find the y value here. So y minus 7 equal to 9. So I want to keep only y variable in the left hand side. Remaining all the numerals I want to take to the right hand side, or else I want to remove them. So there is minus 5. Then how can I remove here? So I can add plus 7 on both sides. Then value doesn't change. So y minus 7. So plus 7 I am adding on both sides, 9 plus 7. So then y minus 7 plus 7 equal to what do I get? That equal to 0 I get here. 9 minus 7, 9 plus 7 equal to what do I get here? 16 I get here. Y plus 0 equal to y. So y equal to 16 I got here. So I got a variable y value, that is 16. So solution of the equation is 16. So we may get one doubt whether it is correct or not. So we can check our solution correct or not. So look here, how can we check? So what is the equation is given to us? Y minus 7 equal to 9 is given to us. Now we got y equal to 16 value. That 16 value I am going to substitute in the place of variable y here. So 16 minus 7, that is equal to 9 here. 16 minus 7 equal to I get 9. 9 equal to 9. I got here LHS equal to RHS. So therefore y equal to 16 is the solution of the given equations. Like this we can find here. Let us see the next problem. Let us see here one more problem here. Solve 5x equal to minus 30. So 5x equal to minus 30. So then look here. Here we want to find variable value x, means we keep x only in the left hand side, remaining terms we can transpose to the right hand side. So or else here what happens, we have seen one method, we can divide the same number on both sides. To remove this 5, what I am doing here, I am dividing by 5 on both sides. So 5x by 5 equal to minus 30 by 5 here. We can divide the same number on both sides. So that is I am doing here. 5 ones 5, 5 ones 5 here. 5 ones 5 and 5 6 are. So then x we have here, x equal to minus into 6 means we get minus 6. So x equal to minus 6 we got here. Minus 6 is the solution of the given problem actually. So let us check here. So check here. 5x equal to minus 30 we have here. 5 of x, in the place of x you write minus 6, then 5 into minus 6 means 5 6 are minus 30 equal to minus 30. So LHS equal to RHS we got here. So therefore x equal to minus 6 is the solution of the given equation. Now let us see next problem. Let us see one more problem here. So z by 6 equal to minus 3 is given. So we need to find z value here. So look here, solution. Z by 6 equal to minus 3 is given. I want to remove denominator 6. Then what shall I do here? I can multiply same number on both sides. So I multiply 6 on the both sides. Z by 6 into 6 equal to minus 3 into 6 I can do. We can multiply same number on the both sides, then value doesn't change. Equality doesn't change there. Here 6 ones 6 and 6 ones 6. So z into 1 means z equal minus 3 into 6 means I get here minus 18. So z equal to minus 18 is the solution. Let us verify here. Check. So z by 6 equal to minus 3. So z value we got here minus 18. In the place of z you substitute minus 18 here. Minus 18 by 6 equal to minus 3 here. 6 ones and 6 threes. So minus 3 equal to minus 3 we got. LHS equal to RHS we got here. So by this Z equal to minus 18 is the solution of given equation here. Let us see the next problem. Let us see one more example problem we have here. Solve 3x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 11. I told you we keep only variable in one side and remaining all terms we take other side here. So look here, solution 3x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 11 we have here. So I want to remove this 5x here. Then what I will do here, I can subtract 5x on both sides here. Look here, 3x plus 5 minus 5x equal to 5x minus 11 minus 5x I can write here. Now you see here, so I will write 3x minus 5x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 5x minus 11. Just I interchanged this two here. Now what happens here? So 3x minus 5x equal to what do I get? Then one is a positive term and another one is a negative term. We do the subtraction here. So here minus 2x I will get here. If I do subtraction, 5x minus 3x means I get 2x, 5 is a greater number. So minus 2x I get plus 5. So equal to plus 5x minus 5x will be cancelled. I get 0 there. 0 minus 11 I will get here. So now minus 2x plus 5 equal to minus 11 I will get here. Now again there is plus 5. So I want to remove this plus 5. Now to remove this plus 5, what will I do here? I add minus 5 on both sides. We can add same quantity on both sides. We can subtract, like you can take subtract minus 5 on both sides also. No problem here. Minus 2x plus 5 minus 5, that is equal to, so minus 11 minus 5 I get here. So minus 2x plus 5 minus 5 I get 0. So 0 equal to minus 11 minus 5 means I get minus 16 I get here. So now minus 2x plus 0 means minus 2x I get equal to minus 16. Now I want to remove 2. Here there is 2 into x. We want to only variable in the left hand side, only x in the left hand side. Remaining all the terms we have to remove. So then what I do here, directly I divide by minus 2 on the both sides. Then what happens here, minus 2x by minus 2 equal to minus 16 by minus 2. Then what happens here, minus minus will cancel 2 ones and 2 ones, and here minus minus will cancel 2 ones and 2 8s. So then x equal to I get 8 here. So then what is the solution of the given equation? That is 8. So now let us check here whether we did correct or not here. So then I am substituting here, checking I am doing here, check. So here what is the equation? 3x plus 5 equal to 5x minus 11 is the equation. So x equal to I got 8, I will substitute 8. 3 of minus 8 plus 5, so 3 of 8 equal to 5, so 5 of 8 minus 11. So 3 8s, what do I get here? 3 8s. So 24 plus 5, that is equal to 5 8s 40 minus 11 I will get here. So 24 plus 5 29 and 40 minus 11 equal to also I get 29. So LHS equal to RHS I got here. So by this we can solve the equations here. So I got LHS equal to RHS means what does it mean here? X equal to 8 is the solution of the given equations. Now let us see one more problem. Let us see one more problem here. We have example 6, solve 12 equal to x plus 3. So look here. So 12 equal to x plus 3 we have here. So I want to keep x only one side here. So remaining terms I can remove here. So x is added with the plus 3, that I want to remove, then we get the x value. So you add minus 3 on the both sides. So otherwise you can take as a subtract 3 on both sides. So 12 minus 3, x plus 3 minus 3 you will get. 12 minus 3 equal to 9. So plus 3 minus 3 means you get 0. So 9 equal to x. Therefore x equal to 9 is the solution of the given equation. So now we can check also this one. So here we can check here. So that is equal to 12 equal to x plus 3 we have. So now what you do, my dear students, here 12 equal to, in the place of x you write the value 9 plus 3. So then 12 equal to 12 we get. So LHS equal to RHS we got here. So you observe here one thing here, my dear students. So what is happening here? So plus 3, if I transpose to the left hand side, it is changing into minus 3. That you remember in the next classes, we don't add always minus 3s and plus 2s, like this we don't add. So we will learn about transposing. So plus term, if I transpose to other side, it changes into minus term. Minus term, if I transpose to other side, it changes into plus. And into number, suppose here into, so 2 into x equal to, suppose there is 5, so is multiplying quantity. If I take that side, it divides, you remember here, then x is equal to, we get 5 by 2. Here divide quantity, so division quantity, suppose x by 2 equal to 9 we have here, so here 2 is dividing with x, then if I take this division quantity to right hand side, then what happens, it multiplies, then x is equal to 9 into 2 we get here. You remember these 4 conditions. When plus quantity goes that side, it changes into minus quantity. When minus quantity goes that side, it changes into plus quantity. When multiplication quantity goes that side, it divides. When division quantity, if you take that side, it multiplies. Now we apply that things and we will solve. By why? Because if you apply that one, so you get easily answers here. Let us see exercise problems now. Let us see now exercise problems, exercise 2 first bit. So read once this sentence. Solve the following equations without transposing and check your result here. So we have discussed about transposing properties. Now in this bit we should not transpose, because he has mentioned clearly without transposing. Means we add same quantities on both sides, we subtract same quantities on both sides, we multiply and we divide same quantities on both sides. By that method we solve this one here. Look here now. So solution, so 3x plus 8 equal to 5x plus 2 is given to us. First I want to remove this 5x, so then what I do here, I subtract 5x on both sides here. So 3x plus 8 minus 5x equal to 5x plus 2 minus 5x here. So then I make a group, same terms here, I make a group here, 3x minus 5x plus 8 equal to 5x minus 5x plus 2 I get here. I am making here same terms as one group here, so I am writing same. So 3x and 5x is same terms, that's why I made group here. Now 3x minus 5x equal to, I get minus 2x plus 8 equal, here 5x plus 5x minus 5x I get 0, 0 plus 2 I get here. So minus 2x plus 8 equal to 2 I get here. Now I want to remove this plus 8 now. Then what I do here, minus 8 I need to subtract on the both side here, 8 I need to subtract on the both side, minus 2x plus 8, minus 8 equal to 2 minus 8. So then what happens, minus 2x, so plus 8 minus 8 I get 0, that's why I keep 0 here, 2 minus 8 equal to, I get minus 6 here. So now what happens then, minus 2x equal to minus 6 I get here. Now minus 2 into x I have here, if I remove this minus 2, then what happens, I get the variable x value. That's why what I do here, I multiply on both sides by minus 2. Then let us see here, minus 2x by minus 2 equal to minus 6 by minus 2 here, minus minus will cancel, 2 ones, so minus minus cancel, 2 ones and 2 threes, then x equal to, I get 3 here. So then solution of the given equation is 3. Now we have a doubt whether it is correct or not. We can check our solution here. So check. So what is the equation is given to us, write that equation, 3x plus 8 equal to 5x plus 2. In the place of x you substitute the whatever value we got to x. So then 3 of 3 plus 8 equal to 5 of 3 plus 2 here. So 3 3s 9 I get here. So 9 plus 8. So 5 3s 15 plus 2 I get here. 9 plus 8 17. So 17. So LHS equal to, we got RHS. So by this what we can understand here, our solution is correct. Therefore solution of the given equation is 3. So like this we solve here, and let us see another problem now. Let us see here one more problem here. Solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result here. So in previous problem what happened, we added same quantities on both sides, we multiplied same quantities on both sides, that method we did here. So now what method we want to use here, transposing method we want to do here, he said in the problem clearly. Look here, now solution. So 5x minus 3 equal to 3x minus 5 is given to us. Now I will transpose this minus 3 that side. Then what happens? It changes into plus 3. When minus 3 transposed the RHS, then it changes into plus. So 5x equal to 3x minus 5, so plus 3 we will get here. Then I will transpose this plus 3x in the left hand side, then what happens? It changes into minus 3x. So 5x equal minus 3x equal to minus 5 plus 3 we will get. 5x minus 3x equal to what do we get? We do the subtraction, so we get 2x equal to minus 5 plus 3 means I get minus 2. Now into 2 if I transpose that side, then it divides, then x is equal to minus 2 by 2 I get 2 ones and 2 ones, then x equal to I get minus 1. Look here, transposing process is very simple here, we can solve equations very fastly. Now let us see here, check. So let us check the answer. So here 5x minus 3 equal to 3x minus 5 is given to us. Now x is equal to minus 1. So in the place of x I am going to substitute minus 1. So that is equal to 3 into minus 1 minus 5. So 5 into minus 1 equal to what do I get? I get minus 5. So minus 3, that is equal to 3 into minus 1 means minus 3 minus 5. Minus 5 minus 3 minus 8 I get here. So LHS equal to I got here RHS. So look here, how transposing process is very easy now. So comparing with, so adding same quantity, subtracting same quantity on the both sides, then transposing process is very simple here to solve the equations. Now let us see one more problem. Here 3 of x minus 3 equal to 5 of 2x plus 1 we have here. See my dear students, the same, solve the following equations by transposing the terms and check your result. We need to transposing process you have to do here. Look here, first let us multiply. So let us write question here, 3 of x minus 3 equal to 5 of 2x plus 1 here. So when I 3 multiply inside, 3 into x I get 3x, 3 into minus 3 I get 9. So 5 into 2x I get 10x, and 5 into 1 I get 5. And now here I am using the transposing process. Minus 9 if I take to the right hand side, if I transpose to the right hand side, it changes into plus 9 here. So 3x equal to 10x plus 5 and minus 9 plus 9 I will get here, because minus 9 if I transpose to the right hand side, it changes into plus 9. Now plus 10x if I transpose to the left hand side, it changes into minus 10x. So 3x minus 10x equal to 5 plus 9 equal to I get 14 here. So that 14 I am writing here. Now 3x minus 10x equal to what do I get here? Minus 7x I get here equal to 14. So you remember here, if I transpose minus 2n to the right hand side, then it divides, because it is multiplying 7 into x. The relation with minus 7 is into here, minus 7. You don't think that, my dear students, this is minus 7. If I transpose this side and it changes into plus 7, not like that here. Minus 7 is multiplying with x here, minus 7 into x. This total minus 7 if I take to the right hand side, it divides here. So then x is equal to 14 by minus 7 I will get here. Now you see here 7 ones and 7 twos here. X is equal to 2 by minus 1. So this minus we can give for the numerator, then x is equal to we get minus 2 here. So we got the value x is equal to minus 2. Now let us verify our answer correct or not. Check. Look here, in the given equation I will substitute 3 of x minus 3 equal to 5 of 2x plus 1 here. So x equal to I got minus 2. Where is x there? I need to substitute minus 2. 3 of minus 2 minus 3 equal 5 of 2 of minus 2 plus 1 here. So 3 of minus 2 minus 3, they have the same sign, we do add here. So I get minus 5, that is equal to 5 of 2 into minus 2 equal to I get minus 4 and plus 1 here. 3 into minus 5 equal to I get minus 15 here. So that is equal to 5 of minus 4 plus 1 equal to I get minus 3, because one is negative, one is a positive. We do the subtraction. 4 is greater number, it has minus, and that's why we get a minus in the answer. So minus 15 equal to 5 into minus 3 equal to minus 15. Finally we got LHS equal to RHS. So by this we can conclude that x equal to minus 2 2 is the solution of the given equation. My dear students, like this we solve the equation in 3 methods. One is a trial and error method, another one is adding same quantity on the both side, and another method is the transposing method. So among these 3 methods, the transposing method is very simple. In higher classes we use only transposing method, and I hope you have understood today's class, and we will meet in the next class and we solve the word problems. Have a nice day. Thank you.